Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through using sections on Substack. Substack is a versatile platform designed for newsletter publishing, community engagement, and multimedia like podcasts. Organizing your work into sections can streamline your content and significantly improve the subscriber experience. Let's walk through the process of creating and personalizing these sections for your publication. To start, go to the Substack homepage and ensure you are logged into your account so you can access the settings we will be using. Look for the settings icon, typically found next to the recommendations section. Clicking this icon will take you to your account settings panel, where you can find various tools to customize your publication. Once you are in the settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar for the Sections tab. This is where you will create and configure new areas for your newsletter. Click on it to proceed. In the Sections window, you will see an option to add section. Click this to begin. You can think of a section as a dedicated space within your newsletter for specific content types or interest groups. After clicking Add Section, decide on a title. Type a name that reflects the content you plan to include, such as featured articles or recent updates. After entering the name, click the section name again to move to the next customization steps. Now, add a description for your new section. This serves as a short introduction to inform readers about what they will find here. Be clear and concise to capture the essence of the section. Optionally, you can enter a specific email sender name to add a personal touch to your outreach. There is also a feature to hide posts from the homepage if you want to keep them exclusive to certain subscribers. Use this to manage visibility and access as you see fit. To boost the visual appeal, consider adding a section logo. A well-designed logo makes your section more recognizable and strengthens your brand. If your newsletter includes podcasts, you can add those to your sections as well, which is great for engaging your audience with multimedia. You may also want to automatically add new subscribers to this section. Enabling this ensures all followers see your content from the very beginning. If you already have subscribers, you can choose to copy your entire email list over to the new section. This maintains continuity and keeps your audience updated without requiring them to take extra steps. Finally, review all your changes and click Create Section to finalize everything. Now your new section is ready to enhance your newsletter. Feel free to explore these settings and adjust them to fit your unique needs. Substack's section feature is a great way to manage and present your work. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.